Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps 4x6 Tin Games Oops Sorry stamp set. I'm going to stamp it out for you so you can see how well all of the images stamp. This is a 10-piece stamp set and it comes with 2 sentiments, oops and sorry, and 8 images. I made this card for you. I used the Oops Sorry stamp set and paired it up with the notched rectangle and ticket die set. And I used the FaDoodles 2 to make the border, and I used my colored pencils to color the image in. I made another card for you using the Oops Sorry stamp set, and I paired it up with the Revealers 3 die set. I thought this Revealer die reminded me of like an airplane that carries signs on the back of them or writes in the sky, so I thought I would make the word sorry look like it was coming from the spaceship die, and I used it with the Slimline Nebula paper. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.